yesterday it snowed crazy. So guess what, I'm here. I'm here to do the sledding. Trying to find like the perfect hill to sled. Oh, I do see some people. Oh, I see it. I see it. Over there. I see people. That spot looks really good though. It looks good. There's just a bunch of kids. I don't want to mess with no kids. I think I'm gonna go there.
Yoga mat for the win.
Yo. I brought a yoga mat. Bro, let's rip this hill. Let's see. Fail. This shit don't rip. No. No shit. Oh, what an epic fail. That was a fail. Damn. I thought I was gonna sweet, but I didn't. Fuck me. No. Since this is rubber, bro, this got so much grip, man. Bro, get this shit, man.
Money not a tech. Out in Brentwood and I'm smelling like a check up off the runway. Straight onto the jet. It's a different type of pain. I got $1 million stress, but I'm doing my best. Doing my best.
No.
Doing my best.
Damn, I'm jealous of those kids, man. Shit. This shit. Epic fail. That's what it is. Oh, look at that. That looks so dope. Oh, it is slippery. It's like... This house is pretty cool. Man, get out, have fun. Don't stay cooped up inside the house, man. Shit, it's winter time. I know it's brick outside, but have fun.
Baby, 乖，听说你有点坏，想要治好你的不在，不能变成 too late， trying to get to you, baby。知道你喜欢 when I call you my lady， 就算有距离 ，you can trust in me, baby。想你每分钟 ，so can you hit my phone？ 别再问我 no 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 no。Eyes on us, walking with a smile, chase your dreams. I haven't seen you in a while. 你说只难以接受，我也不懂。
Yo, have you guys been tuning in to like Twitter, X, and checking out Kanye West's tweet? Bro, he's bugging out, yo. Kanye West is going crazy at Twitter. Bruh. These couple of days, Kanye West is, bruh.